Committee films.
Alright.
But I recommend everybody get at least 2,000 before you start trading. And that's going back into your buy and hold. For those you walk in, I said, set up your buy and hold before you start trading options. That's picking your stock, putting you $5 a day in there, $1 a day, $10 a week, whatever you can afford, and just getting used to saving. And that's all it's about, getting used to saving. We so not used to saving, we used to spending everything we got. Get used to saving, and then you're gonna win. Set up your buy and hold, then you start trading options. So going with the trading options, I'm gonna hit long call, I'm picking expiration date, boom, March 7th. Everybody kind of walk through that. So you'll see on the side what a 110 call would be. I told everybody, if Palantir got on Monday to $100, it was just at 110 last week, so it's going to go back. It's guaranteed to go back. So I'll pick a 110 expiration date, and Monday, when it go down, it's going to be a little cheaper. So right now, it's $887. $895, I'm sorry, $895. Monday, when it go down, it may be $6. So that's 6 times 100. That's how much your contract gonna cost. So $8.95 times 100, your contract gonna be $895. That's under $1,000. So I would take this, boom, click buy. You click how many contracts you got. You can put in your limit price. So whatever the limit price is, I like to tell everybody, go down on the low end. So if it's trading between $8.20 and $8.95, I'm probably gonna put $8.20 up in here and wait for it to trigger. So now at least you know you got it on the low end. When it trigger, you should be already in the green. Because how options work, it'll trigger, the stock will be at 850, but it'll trigger at 820. So now you 30 cents up. You already winning. You can sell right there if you want to, and you'd have made money. But you got a month. So just wait. Just wait. Wait about 4, 5. Stocks really at their highest point around 10, 11, 12 o'clock. They're going to be at their highest point. After that, they're probably going to go down. So you just pick when you want to trade and get out of it. You just secure money. So that's awesome. I mean, that's all to it in option play. Any questions on the option play?
How you determine your strike price?
How to determine my strike price? My strike price. Like I said, I go back a week. So when I'm in here and I'm looking at this stock, I'm gonna click 1 week on Robinhood. It got 1 week. I'm gonna see where at its lowest point and at its highest point. So next week, when it do fall down, pull back, we call it, I'ma already see it was at 110. So that's my strike price, 110. So when I'm going in for my strike price, I'm gonna put 110. Now, if I got a 6-month contract, I probably put a 40-hour strike price because then your contract is gonna be cheap. So I may do 130. I'm saying the stock gonna go to 130 by September. It's probably gonna make it. It's probably gonna make it, but I don't like to hold my plays that long. I'm big on see profit, take profit. So if I see it go up 4, 5 hours in a day, I'm out of there. But to each his own. I'm just telling you my strategy and how I'm winning. If you're on Robinhood, if you got your account funded, I want everybody to try to execute this play. Come next week. So we're gonna be looking at Palantir, and we waiting on a pullback. It's at an all-time high right now. So, like I said, about the airplane, you can't get on the airplane when it's already in the air. You gotta wait for it to hit the ground. So we're gonna wait on Palantir to come back down to $100. Now I'm saying $100. It may come back down to 103. Don't be like Drew said, wait on 100. No, 103.
That's close. That's in the range.
That's in the range. 103. That's good. It came down $7. So now you waiting on a $7 move back to the other side. And just as I'm saying it going to 110, it may go to 109. Sell it. Get out of there. Get out of there. Don't build my every word. Get out of there, because Drew gonna be out of there. I may get out at 108. You know what I'm saying?
It feels different on the good strike price. Like I say no matter if I had 103 or 110 strike call, it would feel different on the pen book when I got.
Yeah, it gonna be because your delta is gonna be a little different. So your money gonna but like I say, ain't no real technical. I can't go in. You're gonna be in the green. That's all I can say. So I'm a straight to the point option trader. I can tell you about charts. I look at the charts a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I know if it's gonna go down, a little bit. But I just know when it's a bull market, everything gonna be going to the upside. So if you get a pullback, I know it's gonna be going to the upside. If it's a bear market, bear mean going down. Now I'm sitting on the side. I'm sitting on the side until I start getting pushed. So, but if you banking on it going down, the same way you put that call in for it to go up, you're gonna put that same call in for it to go down. And you just hoping it go down. So when you see everything red, which I'd have been in the market where it was red for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, the same plays we got calls on, we gonna put puts on. It'll go down. But we probably come back at that another time. Puts could be real tricky. You can lose a lot of money real fast. You don't get in and out. So we banking on the call. Get on them right now. Palantir, Uber, SoFi. SoFi is a $16 stock. $15 stock. Everybody can get an option on that. Does it move like Netflix and Meta? No. But if you want to get your feet wet in the game, I would recommend that. I bought my sister's contracts of SoFi for Christmas. I'm gonna buy y'all a contract so y'all can just see how it moves. Get y'all used to it. $15 stock, $150 for one contract. Everybody in here to do that, you know. But the Palantir, I recommend we start on, like I said, Palantir is at $110. Wait on the pullback next week. Pick you a 2 month, 1 month, 3 month expiration date. Wait for it to pull back. Pick your 110 strike price, and see what it do. If you do that, if you play Palantir next week, guaranteed almost to make some money. Now, how much is on you? Depending on how many contracts you get and how long you stay in. I don't overstay my wealth. Biggest thing I was saying, I get in, I get out. If I see profit, if I see 2,000 and I see it kind of trade sideways, I'm out of there. If I see 4,000, whatever I see it go up, I'm out of there. Anything, you know, any profit is good money. Like I said, I do 10 hours a day at the job for $250. Who am I not to take $500? It's more than I made. You know what I'm saying? So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. You know, and I'm gonna read the chart, and I'm gonna see where support was at. So we call support. Support is just like a line. So if that stock that came up here to 110, and let's just say $100 in support, but it was just at 80. Well, $100 is support. So when I say a stock gonna pull back, I'm going to the support price. Now, if it break through support, which nobody in here can tell what a stock gonna do, but on the technical, I can tell you it's going back to 100. It's probably a safe bet. But you watch it. If it break through 100, we sitting on the sideline. We waiting. Because the lower it go down, the better for us.
Right.
So a lot of people don't like to see red. I like to see red. I'm rubbing my hands. Yo, come on down. Come on down. But a lot of people like to see red because they in the play. So if you're in the play and it's going down, you sweat. You don't know what to do. You know, but if you're not in it and it go down, it break through support. Good. Come on down. 5,000 and ride it out. Because guess what? I done did it before. See, it comes with experience. I done been at work looking at my account. I done been down 5,000. Damn, what I'm gonna do? But I ain't selling because I got time. By the time I get off and look at it, I'm up 5,000. See what I'm saying? But if your mental fortitude ain't what mine is, when you down 5,000, you cutting it. The only time you lose in an auction is when you sell it.
Any style.
The only time you lose in any play, any stock, buying the whole option, whatever, is when you sell it. As long as you got time and you done went down, it's a great company, Meta, one of the richest men in the world, Mark Zuckerberg. You think he finna stay down? No. He finna stay in the top 5 richest in the world. So if it go down $10, I'm holding firm with you. You think he's selling?
Nope.
He's selling. So we staying in it. That's where your resiliency comes. You build that fortitude. So now when you done went down and now you come back up, I done been there before. So the next time you go, you ain't worried. You down. But like I said to his point, I take him back. Uber. I played Uber earners. What, Thursdays, Wednesdays, whatever it was. I didn't get 2-3 months. I think I got 14 days or something. Uber had a good earners, but they missed in one area and they plummeted. They went down about $10. I'm like, dang, I had about, 10, 15 contracts. Damn. I got to February 28th. I had about 20 some days. I'm like, all right. In your mind, now, it play with, even to me to this day, it play with you like, damn, let me just go. Because I'm making so much money in other plays, I can really sell that and go ahead. And so what I did, I sold about 2, I had about 15, I sold 2 contracts, and I stayed, I said, I got 20, I'm gonna let it ride. But then anytime you sell, when you're down, you're gonna lose. So even though I lost about $3 grand, $4 grand on the Uber play, I went and got in 2 other plays, made the $3 grand up, plus another $3 grand the same day. So that's just how it worked. Like, and I ended up holding, Uber ended up going back up the next day, next few days. The next day when it went up like $1, I sold them all. But then it ended up going up by $3-4 more. So if I would have stuck to my plan, I got the February 28th, I would have never took the loss. But that's what I said, it even play with me sometimes. So I know it's gonna play with y'all when y'all getting in the game. But just be willing to hold. It's a great company. We know it's gonna come back up. These are great companies, they're not gonna tank. They are ran by the richest people in the world. They're not gonna lose their net worth. So even though they may go down for a day, they may go down for a week. And you're like, whoo, what I'm gonna do? The next week, they just going down so they can get in a better price.
Yeah.
So when they get in a better price, it's gonna skyrocket. So where I'm at now in life, even when I started off, I didn't like, that's a good question. I done had people come to me and say, man, what are some cheap stock? Like, my man, what are some cheap stock? And I told him, I said, I don't really mess with no, I don't know, bro. I don't mess with no cheap stock. But
we're ready.
yes. But SoFi is a $15, $16 stock. And the cheapest I can get.
I'm in it right now.
You can go get SoFi and get you 30 contracts, you ball. It ain't gonna even cost you that much. But SoFi, they moving pennies. They may go up 10 cents today, they may go down 5 cents tomorrow. They may go up 50 cents. You just never know. But if you just starting out and your account is small, I would recommend a SoFi. Go and get you 5 contracts just so you can see how it moves. Now I'm gonna tell you this. Until you lose money in the market, that's where your biggest money gonna come from, your losses. We call it lessons in the losses. I had to lose $1,000 so I was able to make $5,000. I had to lose $5,000 so I can make 10. What's my biggest loss? I played NVIDIA earnings. I done loaded the boat. 25 contracts, 20 contracts, whatever it was. Everybody, NVIDIA gonna beat, NVIDIA plummeted. Earnings, let me talk about earnings. Earnings is when a company reports. They report their earnings. If they up, revenue, they all this and that. Everybody on my Facebook seen the Netflix play. I played Netflix earnings. We call it playing earnings. So a company only to report after the market closed, which for us is 3:30 here in Mobile, or before the market opened, which is 8:30. Netflix reported after the market closed. What I just said, Netflix doing football now. They had Beyonce concert. They had the Tyson fight. They going up on their subscription. Oh, they finna beat her. I already know. I'm confident. You can circle Meta. Give me 10 contracts. Meta went up $130 overnight. Will change your life. Will change your life. 10 contract, whatever, at 10, 12, whatever. Now, Meta is a $900 stock. So it wasn't cheap. But I believe in it. I didn't know it was going to go up $30. If it would have went up $5, I was good. It went up. It just kept going. Nobody could believe it. Next day, market open. What Drew doing? Sell.
Now, how you think you're calling that since you just run it like that? I know a lot of
It was overnight.
You can't sell. You can't sell the contract, right? You can't do nothing until the market
Yeah. At the job. You think I ain't ready to take 20? You think I'm ready to sit here? Oh, it's gonna go higher. And get what Netflix did. It was up 130.
Right back down.
Came right back down. Right back down. So everybody who stayed in it, Dumbo. Amazon. Now, Amazon am I buying whole? I don't trust on earnings. They just had earnings. Went down. They went down about $5. It wasn't too bad. But Nvidia, a chip stock, supporting AI. Wall Street expects so much out of Nvidia. So even when they do good on earnings, they go down. I'll never play them again. Matter of fact, I don't even have them in my buying hold no more. Palantir is the new Nvidia. You can mark my words right here. Everybody in here, we missed the Nvidia train. 3 years ago, 2 years ago, oh man, it made a lot of people a lot of money. It made a lot of millionaires. I'm here to tell you, Palantir will make you $1,000 now, a millionaire, whatever you want to be. You get on it. You get on it, you play with it, you see profit, take profit, and rinse and repeat. Just do it over again. Do it over. Sell. All right, wait for a pullback, get back in, do it over again. These 3 stops, they'll change your life. So we in this Wall Street Travel group, and to 1,000 people from all over the world, so you'll see people talking about certain stocks. So when everybody talking about a stock, I kind of shy away from it. Because everybody on it. Nvidia was one. Yep. Everybody and their mama was in there. Nvidia. So guess what I did? I loaded up for earnings. I lost about 15, 20,000 overnight. I never do it again. I don't listen to everybody. When they ain't talking about a stock, I'm on it. I'm in there. You know what I'm saying? So when others are fearful, you be greedy. You load up. Don't listen to the noise. Don't listen to the noise. Be relentless. So I like to tell everybody what separates me from everybody in this room. I'm relentless. So when I do something, that's all I think about. She worked with me. She can tell you from the time she started working with me every day. I'm talking about finance. I'm talking about stock. I'm talking about 401k. I'm talking about IRA. That's what I'm consumed with. So when you consume with something, guess what? You're going to be successful. You can't help but to be. Now, everybody in here got something they love and passionate about, and whatever that is, you're successful in. When it came to this market, when I made my first $100, I said, ooh, I'm on to something. This is going to change my life. And then I made 1,000, woo, I'm on to something. I ain't never seen nothing like this from the cell phone. While I'm on the clock, I can get money. And then I became consumed with it. So I'm relentless.